Nursery. This is your English book. Open it. Look at here, page number 10. Today we do the activity of beginning sound of a. Look at here. Match the beginning sound a with the correct picture. One is done for you. How many pictures are there? 3 pictures. 1, 2, 3. Which is the first picture? Ambulance. What is this? Ambulance. And what is the beginning sound of ambulance? A. What is the beginning sound of ambulance? A. Look at it. It is done for you. You match the beginning sound with the picture. Okay, look at here. Which picture is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Cat. And what is the beginning sound of cat? K. What is the beginning sound of cat? K. Is it correct? No. Look at here, third picture. In third picture, what you see? It is alligator. Which picture is this? Alligator. And what is the beginning sound of alligator? A. What is the beginning sound of alligator? A. Now students, you match the beginning sound with the picture. Match the beginning sound with the picture. You match it from here. Which letter is this? A. And what is the sound of A? A. You match A with alligator. Now look at here. I match A with alligator. You complete this page at home. Allah Hafiz.